This is Sewar, and Sewar, she's 5 months old. She is severely, acutely malnourished. If you look at her little legs, she just has the skin on her bones. When she cries, you can't barely hear the sound because she's so exhausted. In this hospital, like in the entire Gaza Strip, there is not enough medical supplies, nutritious food, which are specialized to treat a little baby like this. We have more and more children affected by malnutrition. This must stop. The humanitarian aid must enter at scale inside Gaza. If not, babies like this are gonna die.